Oh yeah, infinity screen. What do we got here? All right, let's see. So this is my Claude Code session. Crashed finally, but as you can see, I've been working. Getting it in hard, working hard, hardly working on the day long, all the day long, all the way back to the schling schlong, bong bong, chong chong, dong dong. This starts at the UX expert. This isn't even the beginning of the chat. So I'm going through the BMAD flow like this. I go like this flow chart. You start the project idea, bring in the analysts, do brainstorming, do market research, competitor analysis, create the project brief. If the project brief is accepted, the PM creates the project requirements document with FRs and NFRs. I don't know what those stand for. Is the UX required? Yes, it was. We have the front end, we have UI prompts for V0. The architecture is there. Early test strategy, skipped that. Run the master checklist and the documents were aligned. Planning complete. Shard the documents. They're sharded in right here. What does sharding mean? It's not when you poop your pants, when you farted. It means the product architecture was broken down from the original document right here into many other documents. It broke it down in sections. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, blah, 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 all the way right here. Product architecture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, blah, blah. Disaster recovery, continuity, system architecture. This is just the design. Then the PRD is right in here. This was broken down. Executive summary, goals, user persona, user stories, functional specifications. And then I got the user stories and broke them down into epics. And then the epics were broken down into the first 4 stories. There's 48 more stories to go, but these stories don't need to reference the architecture doc or the PRD. I'm not a developer. I do not know how to build anything with code. I don't even know what IDE stands for. Okay. Anyway, I didn't switch to the IDE. I sharded the documents and then ready for SM dev cycle. Here we go. Development stage 1. We need the previous story. I did all the stories, broke them all down. We're down to here. So now all the stories have been validated and approved by me. And now it goes to the dev. What's left after the dev looks at it? There's a bunch left for the dev to do. So I'll take this and send it to my dev. Now I sent my dev all these documents. Okay. Now my developer has all those documents. And that's it. I mean, come all the way down here. And the last thing we were doing was creating a mitigation plan. I don't care about any of this, really, actually. But maybe I should. I don't know. I'm lazy, I'm happy, I'm feeling okay, because I just did what you couldn't do all day. As a side note, I was watching Alex Hermosi's launch in the background as he made $100 million live, selling 3.33 million copies of his book. Making history. I hope that this is my, well, anyway, the cost of this thing is $300. What is it? It's an AI testimonial content creator. So if you, I don't have anything to show you visually yet, but how did I pick that idea? Well, funny you should ask. Let me show you. So I went back here. Let's see if I can continue my chat. I need to X this out of here and go back into Claude and then do /resume. And then let's see. So Claude settings configuration, round up all great. Here we go. How did I find this product? Let me show you. So first I went to, let's see, Greg Eisenberg's YouTube channel, top videos, extract 100 product ideas from the videos, search GitHub if anybody's implemented them, and then compile the final report. So this is all of the ideas that were executed. Here's ideas without GitHub implementation. Update tools can find research customer testimonial market. So I pitched the customer testimonial AI. Clear demand, simple MVP, $300 per month pricing. Detail the plans to create this. Include more market research, ICP, market factors, GTM strategy. Then it went ahead and created all that. After we created that, I took it to the analyst, and that's where this project started. I took it to the analyst for the BMAD method. And I said to the analyst, look at this and then create the, well, I'll show you what I did as soon as I get there. This is go to market strategies, business modeling, financial projections, launch checklist, success metrics. So the analyst, I turned the analyst on and I said, hey, Mary, let's expand on this idea with all your special skills. Apply your full force at this project and analyze it from every direction. Customer testimonial AI complete business plan. So did all this, and then I said, I'll probably fast forward through this. I mean, it's good to see what all is in here. If you're reading this as I'm scrolling by, just read the headlines. And then, so I asked for a complete customer journey map. And so how did this work? So first, I had the analyst do market analysis, customer journey, and the project brief. And then the project brief, let me go back to our chart. Project brief goes down to, after the analyst creates a project brief, it goes to get the product requirement document created. If UX is required, it was. I then showed you from here down, all the way down to the developer. So now we have all the project files that are required to develop this project. Now I did this in about 4 hours. And the only limitations that I had were my internet speed. And Claude crashed a couple times. It's really important that you clear your project. You clear it in between each set of, when you switch to a different agent inside the BMAD's project, it's really important that you clear them all. But you can get to them all from right here just using / after this is installed. If you don't know how to install this, you can watch my previous YouTube video where I showed you how to do that. And this thing is really cool. I think I'm going to build a successful SaaS with this. So you can too. I'm in the very beginning stages. Like somebody could literally just come and rip this off, but I'm going to build in public. So if you rip it off, you rip it off. But let's see who builds faster. I'm going to build really fast. Let's go. Thank you for watching this. If you have any questions, comments, please comment below. Be sure to like and follow. And thanks for being here. And if you watched Hermosi's launch, say something about that if you want. But this is pretty cool. I'm glad I had Hermosi in the background inspiring me and just reading the book and taking questions and doing live business breakdowns. It was really awesome. All right. Keep building.